Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily deploy Windows Forms or C# applications into an EXE file. So the way this is basically done is that we basically have to embed the DLLs into the EXE. Now, Visual Studio has made this very easy for us because all we have to do is install a package called the Nuget Pakcage. Right click on your project folder. You can click manage Nuget packages. Then type Costura.Fody and you should see this package right here, this Nuget package. So all you have to do is install it. Once it's installed, then you can go back to your project, and then simply all you have to do is click the build tab and then build solution if you're building it for the first time, or rebuild solution if you've already built it. And then you should find the exe file inside the bin directory. I believe that's where I find it, at least. But yeah, by doing this you'll have a fully functional working exe file. If you want a more detailed explanation about this, then check out my article, which is titled Embed DLL'S into a single executable file of Windows Forms app. This can be found at my Hashnode blog node-armor.hashnode embed DLLs in executable. I'll provide a link to this in the description. And please, if you enjoyed this content, then please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you've got any opinions. Thank you.